finance in a company?
Ang importance mo is, in all other companies, the lifeblood of the company really is money. It's really money. You get everything going. It can't, you will not be able to achieve your goals, your dreams, your plans for the company if you don't have the resources. And the resources always comes down to money. And as head of finance, you handle the purse strings, kumbaga. You don't own the money, but ikaw may hawak ng wallet. Ikaw may hawak ng wallet and how it's spent.
Next question. What does a head of finance do specifically? If you can enumerate and explain, please do so.
How long do we have?
1 hour.
The whole interview the whole video, I mean.
Ang sinasabi ko kasi, paano ko ba i-summarize ang ginagawa ko?
Ang dami kasi.
Specifically, syempre, as head of finance, you manage the finance department. Ang expectation sa'yo is really the financial statements. That's the end all and be all. That's your end result. That's your final product. Is the financial statements. But to get to that, to have that financial statements, is a lot of other work. Before that, it's recording. It's as head of finance, iba na ang role mo. It's making decisions for the company. It's representing. Or let's say putting in the right controls or having the right control environment in place. Kasi ano yan, inherent yan as finance, as the finance department na doon ang mga lapses in control. So, the expectation really is the control should be there, especially with the finance department. Ano pa? Sige, balik tayo sa question. Enumerate and explain. Ano bang ginagawa ng head of finance? What else? You are expected to be a leader. You're expected to be part of, let's say, well, what we have here is the leadership team, which is composed of the heads of the different departments, HR, risk, executive, syempre, the country head. Sino pa? Operations. Yeah, you're expected to be a leader. Ano pa? Yun.
Thank you po.
Ayun lang?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, kasi yung whole video ko in 15 minutes na po.
Ay, okay. Ako lang ba lahat yun?
Opo.
May yung reflection natin.